Hello student. Today we discuss about the hardwood and sapwood, which is also a characteristic features of the dicot angiosperm, and most of time it is asked for the short notes. So this is the structure of stem. In the stem there is the at the middle hardwood and surrounding that there is the sapwood. The hardwood, which is also called as the duramen, and sapwood, which is called as the albumen. So the presence of hardwood and sapwood, it is the characteristic features of the dicot angiosperm. In previous video I discussed about the spring wood and spring and autumn woods, or the growth ring, which is also a characteristic features which is observed in the dicot plants. Similarly, this is the also the characteristics in dicot angiosperm. When the plants undergoes the secondary growth, that means the formation of the fascicular cambium rings is a main characteristic features of the dicot angiosperm. In previous video we discussed about the secondary growth, or how the secondary growth is happening. So in that case, in angiospermic plants, the fascicular cambium, that means the formation of the intravascular cambium rings, that means the formation of the cambium in between xylem and phloem will takes place. So this is the characteristic features of the dicot angiosperm. And the in angiospermic plants, the fascicular cambium or the secondary growth will takes place by the formation of the interfascicular, or the formation of the fascicular cambium rings. So due to the secondary growth, it adds the wood, that means the secondary xylem, continuously in spring season as well as in autumn season. So as I discussed within the growth ring, so in spring season and autumn season there is the continuously addition of the secondary growth will be takes place, but in spring season it is in fast or large, and in autumn season it will be less in amount. In mature dicot angiosperm, what's happened, these two woods will be separated, that is hardwood and sapwood. When the angiospermic or dicot angiospermic plant will be mature, at that time this hardwood as well as sapwood, that is inner one is the hardwood, and the around surrounding that there is the sapwood is present. So hardwood is present at the center, and it is darker green or darker in color, and it is also known as the duramen. It is the dead wood. It's these hardwood is stored some excretory products and secondary metabolites. So this wood is more durable, and they cannot attacked by the termites, ants, etc. So this hardwood, which is very durable and strong, because they contain some excretory products like some gums or resins will be excreted in that hardwood. Also some secondary metabolites like flavonoids, alkaloids are also present in the hardwood, and because of these products, they cannot, or they will be not attacked by the termites or ants. Similarly, the sapwood is at periphery region. Hardwood के side में sapwood are present. These sapwoods are the lighter color. These sapwoods are known as the albumen. So this is the living wood. It stores the saps and solutes products. That means that stores the water as well as food products. So this will be a very less durable wood, and they can easily attacked by the termites and ants, because these sapwoods contains the water as well as food products. That is, water means sap and solutes means the food products. So that's why they can be easily attacked by the termites and ants. So this is the two uh, or the hardwood and sapwood, and which is more present in the dicot angiospermic plants. So this is asked for short note, and it is very, this is the structure, and I also provide the picture of this hardwood and sapwood. So you have to noted in the short notes, that is, the hardwood and sapwoods, they are mostly, or they can found, which is characteristics of the dicot angiosperm. And when the plants grow secondary growth, at that time the rings will fascicular cambium rings will be developed, and they will be characterized as a dicot angiosperm. In both season, that is autumn and spring, this continuously growth will be takes place. So at that time the these or the hardwood and sapwood will be grow. This hardwood is present at the center. It is darker color. They show, or which is also called as the duramen. This is dead wood. It stores many excretory as well as secondary products. So they will be durable wood, and they cannot be easily attacked by termites and ants. Sapwood is present at the periphery, and it is lighter color. This is living wood. So these woods will be stores the saps and solutes products. So they can be less durable, and they can be easily attacked by the termites and ants. So I hope all of you should understand this hardwood and sap.